Hello everybody and welcome to Designer How. Today we have a tutorial for you on simple motion in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Click the media browser on the left-hand side and drag your image onto the timeline. Stretch it a bit. According to how long you need it to be, you can just drag it out. Now go to Effect Control upper left corner. Click your media, and now we have access to all the little parameters that will help us control this image. We can scale it up and down, and we can change its position. Today we are going to create a zoom effect. So what we want to do is create a keyframe. So we will click here to activate it, and now we can control its behavior on the timeline. Now we can scale up the image on the last frame of the clip, and we will have created motion. As you can see though, the focal point of the image moves out of frame when enlarged. This is no problem. We will just create another keyframe, this time for position, just above scale. A neat little trick to ensure both keyframes run together is clicking the little arrow on the keyframe you want to sync with. Now we're in position to change it up, and everything will run simultaneously. When that's done, you will have a smooth animation. I think it's a bit too slow though. Luckily, there is a quick way to fix that. Keyframes will appear on the timeline next to the effect controls. By simply dragging back the last keyframes on each parameter, you'll reduce the time of the motion we have created, thus making it faster. Click the little arrow to jump to the last keyframe, and we'll cut off the clip from there. Nice and fast, just how I like it. You can play around with this. All parameters with a little stopwatch next to it can be keyframed, so go crazy. Make your image dance upon the timeline if you please. Thank you very much for watching Designer How. If this tutorial has been of value to you, then please consider subscribing. And we hope to catch you all on the next one.